Hello there, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for deciding to click on today's video. We are going to be doing our January BOXYCHARM unboxing. I just got my box in the mail, so we are going to be going through all of the products that I got this month in my box for the month of January. So if you guys are ready to see what I got in my BOXYCHARM, go ahead and keep on watching. Right here, I have yet to open it, so I'm excited to dig into this with you guys. If you are new to my BOXYCHARM unboxings, I do these every single month here on my channel, or if you are new to BOXYCHARM, it is a monthly subscription service that is $21 and you receive 5 to 6 full-size items every single month in your box. I will have the link down below if you guys want to sign up for BOXYCHARM, but I'm going to go ahead and open mine up and let's see what we got. The theme this month says boxy and chill, so here's what the card is, and on this you get every single month that has all of the items on here and like how much they're worth and everything. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm excited. Okay, so first thing I see is a palette from Tarte. This is so exciting. So we have the Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 palette. I'm really excited about this one. The retail value on this Tarte palette is $36, so this is a pricey little palette. Ooh, how cute. I actually don't own any of the Rainforest of the Sea like palettes from Tarte, so this is really pretty. Here is the inside of that palette there. So you have all of the different shades. You have a nice mirror on here as well. Let me go ahead and swatch them all for you guys. So here are all of these swatches from the palette. You get 8 different shades in here. It looks like they are mostly all shimmers. You do have one matte though. They look really pigmented and really nice. I'm excited about this palette. Again, that is a $36 retail, so love getting palettes in here. Last month we didn't get one and I was a little bit bummed about that. So up next in my box, I do have a eyeliner. So this is from Starlooks and this is the Aurora Ultra Gem Longwear Eye Pencil. So the price on this one is $19 and this is going to be like a gel eye pencil. So here is what it looks like. It actually looks like it's more of a champagne color, I believe. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch it. It feels like a little bit rough when you first swatch, but it does seem like it's getting creamier. So there is the swatch of it right there. It actually kind of looks like a lip liner, but it has a little bit of shimmer in it. It's like a very pretty like pink champagne color. I actually think this might be nice. I don't know how well it will stay in the waterline because I said it seems a little bit drying. So I'm not sure how well like it would glide in the waterline, but we'll definitely give this one a try. And then up next from Briogeo, we have the Repair Leave-In Conditioning Treatment. Now this is something I got in my BOXYCHARM not that long ago actually, and the price on this one is $12. So this is just supposed to be like a hair conditioning spray. So it says on here that this will effectively restore your hair softness and manageability. So it is a milk spray infused with signature blend of ultra nourishing rosehip, argan, and coconut oils. So it says to use on wet hair, protects against heat. So like I said, I have received this product before. It's not like my favorite, but I do like it, and I do like a lot of Briogeo's products. And then up next in here we have a lip product, and this is from Bite Beauty. This is the Amuse Bouge lipstick, and I have mine in the shade Ginger Snap. So let me pull this out. I love the formula of Bite's lipstick, so this is exciting, especially to get a full-size lipstick in here. So here is the color right here. It looks really, really pretty. It kind of looks like a peachier nude shade, and I'm gonna swatch it here. So this is definitely not a nude. It's more of like a coral pink shade. So there it is, swatched right there. Like I said, I love the formula of these. I think they're a really, really great lip product. And the full price on this one is $26. So awesome to get a full-size lipstick in here. And actually a shade that I think I'll really wear. I don't know how much use I'll get that out of that like in the winter time. I feel like it's more of a summer shade. But so far I'm liking our box. And then it looks like we just have 2 more products in here. So lastly, we have something from Tatcha, which is really exciting to get. Tatcha is a very like high-end skincare brand. So we have the Luminous Dewy Skin Mask. So we have 2 different skin masks from Tatcha. That's awesome. I actually really enjoy the Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. So it's like a makeup setter, or you can use it to hydrate your skin. And these are actually $24. So definitely a good value with these as well. I'm excited to kind of try these out. So it's a 15-minute mask for your face. And that is everything that I got in my box this month. I will have all of my dimensions and the weight and everything of my box link down in the description box if you guys are curious about that. So let's go ahead and add up the total of all the products we got. The price on this month's box is $117. We did get 6 different products in here because we got double mass. So I think this is a really good box this month. I'm actually really pumped about almost every single thing in here. So I'm actually really excited about this month's box. I'm super pumped about that Tarte palette. Also, that Bite lipstick is really, really awesome to get. And of course, Tatcha products, like that's amazing. Also, the eyeliner looks really pretty. The only thing that I'm kind of like about is the hair mask, just because I feel like we got that, I think it was like quite a few months ago, but we still have gotten that before, but everything else is like really, really exciting. So after that, that is going to do it for my BOXYCHARM unboxing for the month of January. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Leave any questions you have for me down below. Also, let me know if you guys have gotten your BOXYCHARMs yet. I would love to know what you guys have gotten inside of them. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also, don't forget to subscribe before you go, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, friends.